Need a tour guide on your new vegan journey, or a mentor or a coach? We've got you covered. We have a 30-day program where we help families go plant-based vegan even if you have a picky eater. It's a step-by-step program that will make going plant-based vegan easy for you. To inquire about our 30-day program, just email me at support@danielaclap.com, and I will also leave my email in the description below. We would be honored to be your tour guide on your vegan journey.
Yep. Thank you.
So if you have any questions or comments or any tips of your own to share, drop a comment below, and be sure to like this video so we can spread this message to as many people as possible. Do you have anything to say, Christina?
No.
No? Nothing else to say?
No.
Okay, why don't we say goodbye until the next video.
Bye. See you next time.